Agile frameworks. PMI-ACP Insights beyond Scrum. Agile project management has evolved beyond Scrum. It now includes many frameworks, each tailored to different project needs and environments. The PMI-ACP certification from the Project Management Institute covers many Agile methods, not just Scrum. Scrum is a popular Agile framework. However, the PMI-ACP states that true agility comes from knowing a range of Agile methods. Kanban. Visualizing work and flow management. Kanban is a lean method. It focuses on continuous delivery. It also emphasizes visualizing work to improve flow and efficiency. Scrum divides work into time-boxed sprints. Kanban allows for continuous workflow. Lean. Eliminating waste for the greatest value. Lean focuses on maximizing customer value by eliminating waste and improving process efficiency. Lean principles come from manufacturing. They have been adapted to software development and project management. They align well with Agile's focus on customer satisfaction and iterative improvement. Extreme programming, XP. Driving quality through continuous feedback. Extreme programming, XP, emphasizes technical excellence and frequent releases to ensure customer satisfaction. XP practices, like pair programming, TDD, and C, aim to boost code quality and teamwork. Crystal. Customizing Agile to project needs. Crystal is a family of methods. They suit different project sizes and risks. Unlike one-size-fits-all frameworks, Crystal is different. It encourages teams to adapt the method to their project's needs. They should consider team size, project complexity, and business criticality. Dynamic Systems Development Method, DSDM. A comprehensive Agile framework. DSDM is a more structured Agile framework. It offers a detailed project management and delivery framework. It stresses the need to deliver projects on time and within budget. It also emphasizes collaboration and governance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the PMI-ACP certification proves a deep understanding of Agile. It shows that Agile is not limited to Scrum. PMI-ACP explores frameworks like Kanban, Lean, and DSDM. It gives project managers a toolkit for varied project scenarios. Scrum is key to Agile practices, but using ideas from other frameworks can boost a team's adaptability. It lets them pick the best approach for each project's needs. PMI-ACP's holistic approach lets pros go beyond Scrum.